Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find movie clips for edits. Now here is two really useful websites where you can find movie clips for your edits. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the Yarn website. This site has a huge collection of short clips from movies and TV shows. Once the site loads, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of a movie, show, or even a quote. When you tap on one of the results, the clip will play right on the built-in player. You can preview it, watch it as many times as you want. This is perfect when you're looking for specific moments or famous lines from movies. Now let's check out another option. Go back to your browser and search for Ronin FX. This website also provides lots of clips, but the difference is in how it works. Instead of playing the video on the site, it gives you a download option directly. That means you can grab the clip to your computer and use it straight away in your editing software. So, to recap, Yarn is great for quickly previewing clips and finding the exact moment you want, while Ronin FX lets you download clips right away for your edits. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.